It's magic. Yes, magic at your fingertips. Say goodbye to complicated tools because RMBG version 2.0 is here to revolutionize background removal. This state-of-the-art model builds on the success of RMBG version 1.4, delivering unmatched accuracy and efficiency. Try it now and witness the magic of perfect background removal.
So I came across this tool very recently. So it's available on Hugging Face, and I basically compiled a repository with a Gradle-based web UI. And what interests me is that there is a discussion on GitHub where there is this image, and then basically it turns into this image with this tool. So that's why I thought let's give it a try. So let's start with the installation. So these are the standard steps where we clone the repository. Sorry, it's git clone and repository URL. Then let's navigate inside the repository. Now I'm testing this on Python 3.10. So I will use Python to create the virtual environment. Now once the virtual environment is created, let's activate the same. Now use pip install wheel. Once the wheel package is installed, let's install the requirements. Pip install -r requirements.txt. While the requirements installation is in progress, let's download the models. So it will automatically download the models, but if you want to manually clone in the cloned folder on local, just open app.py file. Here you will see this is the repository URL. So copy this text, then open Hugging Face, and basically we will append this URL. So this is the model. So to clone this, click on these three dots, clone repository, copy. Now open a new command prompt, paste this command, and then copy this much content from the URL and paste it again. So this is how it should look like. This repository will be cloned in this folder locally, and press enter. So the models are cloned successfully, and so the installation is complete. So we can close the command prompt. So each time you want to use this tool, you have to launch a command prompt, activate the virtual environment. Once the virtual environment is active, launch the Gradle-based UI using Python space app.py. Now, once the server is started, just click on the link or control click on the link to launch it in browser. So this is the basic interface. Here you can input an image and then click on submit to process. Then if you want to process an image from a URL, then you can just paste the URL here and click on submit. I've also added one batch processing. If you want to process multiple images, you can do so. So let's try the first tab. So this is the image which I want to process, and I will click on submit. So GPU memory required is less than 6 GB, and this is the result. So this is how the original image looks, and this is the final output, which looks good. Nice. Now let's try the input URL. So there is one sample image which is available. Let's try with that first. So this is the original image, and this is the processed image. Cool. Now I want to try this particular image. So this is how this image looks. Let's try this. Nice. It works. Cool. So let's try the batch processing tab. So for that, I will create two folders, input and output. Let me move this file and let me download this file and put it in this input folder. Okay, now I have to specify the input path here and the output path here. Click on submit. Processing is complete. Yes. Okay, nice. This is the second image. Cool. So that's it for this demo. Thank you.